Want to install the Zoho Books app on your PC so you can access accounting faster without opening your browser? First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Books website, then sign into your account. Once you're inside your Zoho Books dashboard, click your profile icon in the top right corner and look for the option that says Install App or Desktop Access. If you don't see it, open your browser's menu. In Chrome or Edge, this is the three-dot menu in the top right, and you'll see an option called Install Zoho Books or Install this site as an app. Click Install, confirm, and your PC will create a standalone Zoho Books desktop app icon. After installation, you can open Zoho Books directly from your desktop or start menu like a normal PC application, and it will launch in its own window without the browser interface. That's it. Zoho Books is now installed on your PC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.